How to add social media handles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. This is where you'll add and customize text or a video. Next, in the effects library, scroll down to titles and drag the title plus title to your timeline above your main video clip. Place it where you want your social media handle to appear. Now, click on the text plus layer and go to the inspector on the top right. In the text box, type your handle like @your name or your platform name. You can use multiple text plus layers if you want to add different platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. To make it more visually appealing, you can also add the platform icon next to your handle. First, find and download the transparent PNG icon for the platform you are using. Then go back to the media pool, right-click and select Import Media to bring the icon into your project. Drag the icon onto a video track above your handle text and resize or reposition it using the inspector. Align it next to the handle so it looks clean and professional. After that, customize the font, size, and position to match your video style. You can also adjust the color and add drop shadows or backgrounds to make your handle stand out. If you want the handle to slide in or fade in, simply use the built-in transitions like fade in or slide in from the effects library under video transitions. Finally, preview your video to make sure everything looks clean and professional. You can reposition or adjust the timing by dragging the text plus clip along the timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to add social media handles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.